Hi, today we're going to do a science experiment called Wizard's Brew. We have an assistant today, my daughter Samantha, and she's going to help us with this experiment. Samantha, can you show everybody here on the table all the things we need to do this experiment? Starting with,
We got some dish soap, we got some glitter, we have a teaspoon, we have a soup spoon, food coloring, vinegar, and baking soda.
the other thing two other things you will need is a long jar. It could be a plastic container or glass, and a tray. And you want to keep that jar down inside the tray because it will be a little messy. Might be a good experiment to do outside in your backyard because there will be, yes, a mess, a little bit of a mess. Okay, the first step will be, Samantha, to fill our container halfway up with vinegar. All right. The next thing we need to do is add our food coloring. So Samantha, we chose green. You can choose whatever color food coloring you have on hand. You can put 3 or 4 drops. That looks good. Then we will need some dish soap. There we go. We just put a good squirt of dish soap, maybe a little bit more. That looks good. And the glitter, we'll need the glitter next. Just a handful. There we go. And then the last ingredient we're going to add will be the baking soda. So Samantha, and I think you should put 2 good sized teaspoons of baking soda in here. So there we go. One might be, oops, you might want to take your spoon and start stirring. So as you can see, maybe one was all we needed after all. As you can see, it's the reaction of the vinegar with the baking soda and then with our dish soap is making the foam, and you can see it rising up and over and flowing down into the tray. And if you want to keep stirring, Samantha, you could add more. You can continue the fun by adding even more, and you can keep stirring that, Samantha. You can do this for a long time. So there you have it, Wizard's Brew.